I'm Brian M.Hazel, and I'm here to get your business funded fast. When banks say no, we say yes. Start now, it's quick and easy. Fill a short form, upload minimal docs, get personalized offers quickly, and receive funds often the same day. Use capital to grow, restock, or payroll. Opportunities don't wait, neither should you. Act now to secure the capital you need. Apply now. Just click the link below or call 301-204-9063. Speak to me now.
So this next program that I'm going to describe is one that I really wish was around when I started my first business. Here was a situation. I was making good money, but I was so busy running my business that I wasn't paying a close of attention as I should with my personal financial situation. So therefore, my FICO kind of suffered a little bit. So this program is if you're in the range of a 500 or above FICO score, but you're still doing well with your business on a monthly basis, and you just need that little push to the next level. You need a cash infusion, possibly for an ad promotion or maybe a large wholesale inventory purchase to boost you through the holidays, or again, just to take you to that next level. Your bank is not giving you the feedback that you'd like, and you don't really want to deal with relatives or friends. So here's the thing. Have you been in business at least 6 months? Are you able to show $5,000 or more per month through your business bank account in monthly revenue? Through your business bank account. If you have 3 months of those bank statements, then this program should be a fit for you. Zero collateral. So many may use this to bridge a gap of possibly a payroll or just anything that you need, even just to help you keep the doors open. Check this one out. You only need 500 plus FICO score.
You need capital now. A simple 5-minute application. Often approved the same day. Cash in your account when you need it most. Fast deposits, immediate relief. Funding from $10,000 to $2 million. Designed for growing businesses. No collateral required. Fair credit. Okay, no lengthy approval waits. Just a 5-minute form. Our concierge services will guide you every step of the way. Better service, easier approvals, rated excellent on Trustpilot, hundreds of satisfied businesses, flexible credit, only 4 months in business, retail services, healthcare, and more. I'm Brian M.Hazel, and I'm here to get your business funded fast. When banks say no, we say yes. Start now, it's quick and easy. Fill a short form, upload minimal docs, get personalized offers quickly, and receive funds often the same day. Use capital to grow, restock, or payroll. Opportunities don't wait, neither should you. Act now to secure the capital you need. Apply now. Just click the link below or call 301-204-9063. Speak to me now. Better offers, easier approvals, no collateral, fast deposits into your account, 5-minute application, business lines of credit, or simply working capital, fast funding, real results. From retail to healthcare, equipment, inventory, payroll. Fund it today.